In this video, we'll be solving a question on statistics. Now, this question is also looking like the probability question. We say solution. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We are asked if the mean of PQRS and T is 10. Calculate the mean of P plus 1, Q plus 2, R plus 3, S plus 4, and T plus 5. Before we solve this question, we have to remind ourselves the meaning of mean. What we have as the meaning of mean. The mean is the sum of all observations. Sum of all observations. This observation is the data divided by the total number of observation. Total number of observation. So this is the meaning of the mean. Now for this case, they said if the mean of this is equal to 10, that means we'll come here, we'll now write, they said if the mean, this is the mean, if the mean, okay, can put it like this. We said if the mean is equal to P plus Q from our definition plus R plus S plus T. Now we have this to be all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So that is what we are asked. They said if the mean is 10, that means 10 is equal to P plus Q plus R plus S plus T all over the total number of observations, which we have here is 5. We have 5 to be our total number of observation. That is what we are already asked to do. So it then means that this 10 is equal to this. Now, for the given question, they said calculate the mean of P plus 1, Q plus 2, R plus 3, S plus 4, and T plus what? 5. We are asked to calculate the mean. So we say similarly from what we have done. Similarly. Similarly, the mean which we are asked to calculate is equal to, now we have P plus 1 plus Q plus 2 plus R plus 3 plus S plus 4 and plus T plus 5. T plus 5. So we have to calculate and check for the total number of observations. The total number of observations here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So this is 5. Now, the next thing to do is for we to add whatever we have gotten here. So we to add whatever we have gotten here. So we can write still the mean. Now this is 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So we have P plus Q plus R plus S plus T plus 15 divided by 5. So we move over to this other side of the board to see what we do to get our mean there. So we have to delete this side of the board. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So we have our mean, which we are asked to calculate for to be equal to. Now, what we do, we bring out this one side. So we can write it as P plus Q plus R plus S plus T plus 15 divided by, because of this 5, you can split it to be divided by 5 and here divided by 5. Now, we know that the whole of this is equal to the whole of this and is equal to 10. So we can take this to be our 10. We bring this one here to be our 10, which is equal to 10 plus 1 5 divided by 5. Now, resolving this from, we take our LCM, we say 5 multiplied by 10, which is 50 plus 15 divided by 5. The next thing to do, we say 50 plus 15. This will give us 6 5 divided by 5. Now, 6 5 divided by 5 is 13. It's 13. So our mean is equal to 13. Our mean is equal to 13. So this is how we can simply compute questions in statistics. And for more on this, you need to subscribe to this channel to get more videos on statistics.